In this video, I'm going to show you how to create personalized website headlines using AI, and trust me, this is going to change how you engage with your website visitors. We all know that a great headline is key to grabbing attention, and with AI, it's easier than ever to tailor them specifically to your audience. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how to make your headlines stand out and give you an exclusive offer to try out the software we're using for free. First, let's talk about why personalized headlines matter. They're not just catchy, they make your visitors feel like the content is meant for them. Whether it's based on location, behavior, or interest, personalized headlines immediately grab attention and improve conversion rates. Now, the good news is, AI makes creating these headlines super easy and scalable. You don't have to spend hours trying to guess what your audience wants. AI can analyze data and generate relevant suggestions in seconds. So, let's dive right into how to use AI to create personalized headlines. The first thing you'll need is access to AI-powered software. I've tested several tools, and I'll walk you through the one I recommend that works the best for this task. You'll find a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can follow along as I demonstrate. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss it. Once you've logged into the software, start by setting up your parameters. You want to tell the AI what you're aiming for, whether it's a headline for a blog post, a product page, or a service offering. The more specific your input, the better the headline suggestions will be. If you're unsure what your audience responds to, you can even have the AI analyze existing content from your site to give more accurate results. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. The software will generate several headline options based on your settings. What's great is that it doesn't just pull random phrases, it creates ones that are personalized to your audience. For example, if you're targeting people in a specific region, the AI can generate headlines that include local references or even cultural cues. Now, let's talk about customization. AI can get you started, but you'll want to fine-tune the headlines to make them more unique to your brand and messaging. You might adjust the tone, add specific keywords, or tweak the call to action to make sure it resonates with your audience. This is where you can take full advantage of AI's capabilities to optimize your website's conversion power. Once you've generated and customized your headline, test it. The beauty of AI-driven headlines is that you can quickly run A/B tests to see what resonates with your visitors the most. The software can also help you track how well your headlines perform, so you can continually refine them for maximum impact. Key takeaway: personalized headlines using AI are not just a luxury, they're a game changer for boosting engagement and conversions. The software we use makes it easy to create headlines that speak directly to your audience, and with a little tweaking, you can make sure they're aligned with your brand's voice. To quickly recap, here's what we covered. 1. Why personalized headlines are so important for your website's success. 2. How AI can generate personalized headlines based on audience data. 3. Customizing your AI-generated headlines to match your tone and messaging. 4. Testing and optimizing for better performance. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This will let you follow along with the software I've recommended and start creating personalized website headlines of your own. Thanks for watching, and happy headline crafting.